My name is Daniel McKevity. I'm the National Fleet and Logistics Manager at Alsco Uniforms. Alsco Uniforms is a global textile provider and managed garment service. Essentially what that means is that we provide anything for businesses from tea towels to uniforms to workwear to first aid to sanitary bins, really a one-stop shop for everything that you need. From a global standpoint, Alsco was founded in 1889 in Nebraska in the US. Alsco Uniforms in Australia actually started in 1962. And what started as a few businesses or a few locations has now really boomed to being in every single state, every major city. We usually get our engineers in first, usually here about 4:30, 5 a.m. in the morning. They're turning on the boilers, turning on the electricity, really heating things up for the day and getting things started. From then, you would have your delivery personnel coming in as well as your production staff. Your delivery personnel are loading all their vehicles, checking off their stock, making sure they've got everything for the customers for the day, while your production staff are obviously washing, laundering, sorting, counting, processing, all those things that are eventually going to be packed for the customer. Nationally, we have about 520 vehicles across the country and across all of the Alsco Uniforms business units. That's a mix of line hauls, of medium rigid vehicles, passenger vehicles, as well as a lot of light duty vans as well. So the Isuzu partnership in most recent years started about 2020, when I pretty much identified the holes we had in our orders, to which Isuzu were nice enough to fill. And since then, I think they filled about 5 or 10, and then each consecutive year, we've actually been filling more, to the point where they now, I think, are about 50-55% of our fleet orders. So they've been very, very helpful. Isuzu's been great in sort of the after sales, particularly dealing with our contacts. You know, we've got Grant, we've got Monique, and we've got Matt McKenna down at Sutton's. They make the process very, very easy. Their contacts, they get back to you, very, very quick. It's been great. It's been a great relationship. The real big feedback is the comfort in the seats and the comfort for the driver while they're actually using the vehicle. So I know Isuzu's gone and upgraded their suspension in all of their trucks, in all of their seats, and that makes a huge difference to our people who are sitting in there for multiple hours per day. When it comes to me for suppliers, it's not good enough just to have a product or a product that's at the right price. There's a lot of suppliers that they have very comparable prices, but when it comes to the relationship, if someone you're talking to them consistently all the time, I think it's very important to have good people in the right positions who make that process easy, and Isuzu is nailing that.